Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Imagine this, you've got 40 Dahua IP cameras, 6 switches, an NVR, and a wireless access point. You've got no laptop, no time, and no patience. No problem if you're using Dahua Cloud Managed Switches. Pairing Dahua Cloud Managed Switches with the Dual Link Care app gives us the Easy Config solution. Let's compare the configuration process using Easy Config against third-party switches. For Easy Config, all you need is your mobile phone. That's it. A few taps to discover all devices and activate them. Then, simply configure the Wi-Fi. Do one more discover devices to add them to the cloud, and you're done. Meanwhile, third-party switches require you to discover the network devices on your phone to activate them. Then switch to a PC to activate your NVR. Then use a web browser to discover and activate your IP cameras. Multiple tools and repetitive processes only add more complexity, time, and hassle to the configuration process. Dahua Easy Config utilizes Dahua Cloud Managed Switches and Dual Link Care for simple activation and quick configuration, saving you time, effort, and frustration. To recap, the Easy Config solution, which incorporates Dahua Cloud Managed Switches and the Dual Link Care mobile app, uses fewer tools, fewer steps, and less time. For more information about our products and solutions, you can visit the links below or contact your local Dahua retailer. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a smarter society and better living.